Hey, you're gonna love this. I will guess your name. Now, you probably think it's impossible, but it's actually no big deal. I can easily figure out your name in just a couple of steps. No magic involved here, just some simple math. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you won't miss a thing. Grab a calculator and let's get down to business. Let's start off easy. The first number you need is the number of letters there are in your name. For example, if your name is Ashley, then your first number is 6. You have to count the letters of your whole first name. Don't use any nicknames or shortenings. The next thing you have to do is add 5 to that number, if you have an A, O, E, Y, or U in your name. If your name doesn't contain any of these letters in it, just add 8. Alright, now here's the part where your gender comes into the equation. So if you're a man, multiply your number by 2 and then subtract 4 from it. If you're a woman, multiply it by 4 and then subtract 8. So the next step is pretty simple. If your name starts with R, S, D, or H, divide your number by 2. If not, divide it by 4. Alright, and finally, subtract the total number of letters in your first name from your final number. As you probably remember, it was your very first number. And that's it! If your calculations were correct, you should now be left with a 1 or 2-digit number. Give us a like if you did everything right. Alright, now it's time for me to put my money where my mouth is and finally guess your name. Here's a list of final numbers with names attached to them. Just find yours. 1. Alex 2. Jennifer 3. 4. Hannah 5. Chris 6. Harry 7. Ashley 8. Sarah 9. Paul 10. Matthew. What? Your number is 3? Well, how could you forget that it's April Fool's Day? Gotcha! Pranks can come from anywhere, don't forget that. So, how are you going to trick your friends and family today? Tell us in the comment section below. You can just send them this video and the prank is done for you. Just saying. Anyway, happy April Fool's Day. Keep smiling and stay with us on the bright side of life.